Eggs Benedict, today on Cooking with Chef Fred. Let's first start off with the Hollandaise sauce. First we're going to take our butter and put in a saucepan to melt it, because we're going to need melted butter to make our Hollandaise sauce with. I'm going to take a saucepan and fill it with a couple of inches of water. We're going to use this for our Hollandaise sauce. Now we need 2 egg yolks, so we're going to separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. And I have over the years found that the easiest way to do this is to just use your hands and crack the egg into your hand and let the white kind of ease out over it. Is just the simplest way to do it, so you'll have the egg yolks not bust on you. Now we're just going to give those a quick whisk, and then we're going to take our lemon, we're going to cut it in half, and we're just going to use half of the lemon to get some lemon juice. We need just a tablespoon or 2 of lemon juice, and we'll just use our hand juicer and give that a little bit of lemon juice. Now once we do that, we're going to whisk this together, and we want to whisk it until it's doubled in size. Once this has doubled in size, we're going to take it over to the stovetop where we have our pot of water ready. We're going to put this over, and we're going to whisk our butter into our egg yolks. This is called an emulsion. And we're just going to drizzle the butter slowly and whisking the entire time. You want to make sure you do not stop whisking, and we're going to do this till we get the entire butter into it, and continue to whisk and make our Hollandaise sauce. And once we finish that and have our Hollandaise made, we're going to set it to the side. And then we're going to heat our ham, or if you have Canadian bacon, we're going to just heat that up till it just gets some brown on both sides. And once that's nice and brown, we're just going to take and put on paper towels and set to the side. And now we're going to poach our eggs. We're going to take our water and put a little bit of white vinegar into it, just a tablespoon or so. And then we're going to take the water that is not completely boiling, it's just getting ready to boil. We're going to take and with a spoon, and we're going to stir it to create a little vortex, if you will, that we're going to drop our egg into. So we just take and give that a nice stir to create a circular motion. And then once we have that, we're going to crack our egg and we're going to drop it right into the center. And what's going to happen is that motion is going to cause the egg white to just circle around on top of itself to create a beautiful poached egg. Now we're going to leave this in here for about 3 minutes. And after the 3 minutes, we just take a slotted spoon and we just take the egg out, and we're just going to set it on a paper towel. And now it's time to assemble our Eggs Benedict. First we're going to take our English muffin that we've toasted. We're going to lay our ham on top of it, and then we'll take one of our poached eggs and just lay it on top. And then we're going to take our Hollandaise sauce. Now if our Hollandaise sauce is a little bit thickened, you can just take a teaspoon of the water and just thin it up a little bit. And we're going to just spoon that on top and just put a pinch of salt and pepper on the top of it, and it is ready to serve. And we have our beautiful Eggs Benedict. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.